Good morning there. Well, spring is definitely about to hit, and that's appropriate because it is nearly the 1st of September. There were actually thunderstorms yesterday evening in Auckland, so it really goes to show things are picking up. Now, the chances going forward, don't take my words verbatim, because I think the maps are going to change as each day sort of rolls along. If we were doing these forecasts every day, I'd be sort of tweaking things as we were moving forward, because there's going to be so many changes, I'd say, going forward. Nonetheless, we'll go with what we've got. A lot of westerly type airflows coming up, so western regions in general, yes, a chance for thunderstorms. There's going to be a lot of cold air, so there could be some hail in there too. There's going to be a lot of strong winds. Eastern regions by and large are going to be drier, but there could be a few southwesterly changes sneak through at times, bringing a chance of thunder, mainly the eastern side of the South Island there. Anyway, this is the map for today, 3 p.m. this afternoon. I'm changing these maps to 3 p.m. now because the sun is lasting a little bit longer in the day, so the penultimate time, the ultimate time for a chance of thunderstorms, you know, it's sort of pushing back a little bit further into the afternoon now. Okay, so 3 p.m. this afternoon. Basically, western regions, there is a chance of thunder today, maybe. There is some instability there in the west. The west coast of the South Island, that is where it is best. And there could even be some hail because there is some nice cold air. Then there is a wee feature here brushing the far south into this afternoon and this evening. Could be some thunder down there, maybe. Low pressure system in the Tasman Sea on Sunday tomorrow. That rolls over the North Island. There is a chance of thunder. It's mainly here for the western and upper North Island. Upper North Island especially. Now there is going to be ramping southwesterly winds, like southwesterly winds are going to ramp up. Let's put that the other way around. So very strong winds developing there in the afternoon. Could be a chance of thunderstorms, and there may even be some hail. I'm actually seeing a little bit of instability here in the far south too, but I'm just going to ignore that because it doesn't look right. Then on Monday, westerly airflow over New Zealand, eastern regions, at least you're dry. There are showers in the west, and there could be some instability, there could be some thunder, mainly for the west coast, maybe even some small hail because there is some cold air. Now this low pressure system here could, it probably won't, but it could flick a south to southwesterly change, like here into the south. Well, it actually is pushing into the south, I can tell that much, but it may stretch up this eastern side later into the evening. Sometimes those sneaky little southwesterly changes can do something. I'm not saying it will, but sometimes they can. Let's move to Tuesday. Southwesterly airflow sort of broadening over New Zealand a little bit more, so it brings a better chance in the east. Western regions, there may be some thunder, more so in the first half of the day. Into the second half of the day, yes, it's the eastern side's turn, mainly the eastern side of the South Island. I'm not thinking the chances are like awesome. We're still like really early in the season. The eastern side of New Zealand, really October, November, even December's better. September's really early. It can happen though sometimes, but it shows things are heating up. Anyway, Wednesday we calm down. A ridge of high pressure. Thank you very much. Then on to Thursday, a westerly airflow returns. Still very nice in the east. That's cool. Some good weather there, but there are showers in the west, and there could be some instability in the west, and that means a chance of thunder, maybe. Then on Friday, okay, big low pressure system rolling in to New Zealand. There is a lot of cold, unstable air associated with this low. Well, there's the centre there, a big airflow like that coming around it. Western regions, basically you're the pick of the bunch. Could be some thunder, west coast especially. As far as this map is concerned, maybe even some hail, thanks to that cold air. Now, here in the far south, there is showers. You never know, they could be unstable. It's the sort of weather that could do that. Maybe something up that eastern side later into Friday evening, but I mean, heck, we're starting to get a wee while out now, so I'm just like really clutching at straws. It sort of, you know, gets to be that way when you go 7 days out, 6 or 7 days out. Anyway, here is Saturday. We'll just go with what we've got. Okay, lots of cold, unstable air right there. So that means to me, northwestern corner of the South Island, western side of the North Island, could be thunderstorms as various fronts and troughs move through, maybe even some hail. And then I think there's going to be another south to southwesterly change, if this map is to be believed, here in the far south and up this eastern side, sort of into the afternoon and evening. That could bring something, thunderstorm-wise, maybe some hail. We shall see. Anyway, we'll catch you again next Saturday morning. Cheers.
Thunderstorm large hail There's a forecast of storm moving northwards on the Cameron Plains towards Ashburn.